preparation of or putting of tarpaulins days before your SONA. Can we have more details about that,
Yes, I
sir?
only found out early this morning when I got up. That's what they are doing, and that's why I fully agree with what has been done. That's highly inappropriate, and I suppose, or may utos sila na maglagay kayo ng ano kung saan hindi na nasabi, baha na nga, ba't pa kayo maglalagay dyan? So the order didn't go out, but it has now. We say paubayan nyo na muna yan, ayusin nyo na muna yung ating response crisis. So, yeah, that is an unfortunate misjudgment on their part, but we've corrected it, and I trust it will not happen anymore.
May we know where are we or where are you in terms of the preparation of SONA? It's already on Monday, so gaano po ba kahaba yung ine-expect natin?
No.
How different is this SONA from your previous
A
SONA?
little different from each other, no, but they will be different. Because the situation, remember, it's a State of the Nation address. And the State of the Nation today is different from what it was last year and the last year before that. So, it, of course, necessarily will be different. We will be talking about mainly the same things about the social projects of the government for people in need. We will talk about the programs that we are going to that we have initiated and will continue to promote and endorse as we until the end of, certainly at the very least until the end of this term. Hopefully, it will continue after my term. So that's what we expect from the SONA. How far along are we? Well, when I knew that I was coming to the United States to meet with President Trump, then I cleared my schedule, and I said we're going to lose 4 days, so we have to make it up. So we cleared my schedule. I've been working very hard on it. As soon as I get back, we'll be working on it again. But we'll be there. We'll be back Wednesday evening. We'll start work on it Thursday. I'm sure we'll work on it over the weekend. So mahabol namin yun. I think we'll be all right because what we have already written is substantial in terms of the SONA is about 80% written. So konti na lang fine tuning.
Habang lang po on other issue related po sa typhoon, may we know po na approve yung request ni Secretary John Vic Remulla na siya na yung mag-announce ng suspension of work and classes. Ano po yung wisdom?
So that the dissemination of information is better. That is very simple. Because if there's ganon yan, kasi halimbawa ikaw it affects you. Where do you go? Which website do you consult? Where do you so pagka ganito, basta't sinabi na, the SILG will make the announcement, and that is what's wala nang fake news, yun na yung katotohanan, yun na yung totoo. So it's just simple, it's just to make things clearer, because sometimes nagkakaproblema, because hindi naman malicious, misinformed lang. Tapos pinopost, sinusundan ngayon ng tao, mali naman pala. So we're just trying to improve that system. Yeah. On the?
Sir, Secretary Remulla has been growing flack for how he actually tweets or posts his statement. In the words of netizens, it's too informal. Medyo pa-joke po kasi yung sabi niya. Have you advised this on his matter? What do you make out of these criticisms? And
people criticize me for the way I speak, but that's the way I speak. That's the way he speaks. As long as he gets the message across, that's what it's for. That's what all of these postings are for. He gets some information across. And as long as he achieves that, then he manages to do what he sets out to do. I am not a I'm not exactly a judge of how do you say, literary style. I don't know how you want to put it. So that's really, I would consider that out of my purview.
Mr. President, as you assess the administration and given your consistent performance review, are there changes or what are the changes you want to make? And can we get an update on the performance review, sir?
Ikaw naman eh. You'll steal my thunder. Di ba? Wala yung ano ko. Yeah. And then, like I said, hindi pa naman tapos. So, but I think that everything all that we need to impart to the people will be in the SONA, in the speech in the SONA. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sandra po from GMA7. U.S. assistance, especially the armed forces of the United States helping us with the relief operations.
Yeah.
And may we get more information, how are we going to operationalize, for instance, the use of EDCA sites, and are they going to bring in relief goods or equipment
The
perhaps
answer
to
is
help
simply
us?
yes. All of that. As a matter of fact, Admiral Paparo, the commander of the Indo-Pacific Command of the United States, left early upon our suggestion na makabalik na siya para maumpisahan na ang pagdala ng tulong para sa ating mga naging biktima dito sa Krising. And I know that, I think he spoke to Secretary Gilbert this morning and last night, and sabi niya nag-umpisa na. So maybe you can feel...
The EDCA sites that are up and running, namely Fort Magsaysay, do contain relief goods already pre-positioned. Now, what we need, as of this time, not yet, but we foresee, because of the merging of the two tropical depressions and the incoming monsoons, that we will need their assistance in terms of airlift and other capabilities. And so Admiral Paparo is coordinating with General Bronner, our J3, and the Indo-PACOM's J3 operations are already coordinating so that the needed capabilities are brought in. But I repeat that there are relief goods in place already that have been prepositioned by the U.S. government. Now, it is the mobility assistance that we do need. We do have sufficient Black Hawks in order to lift goods to vulnerable areas when conditions permit. But if we need to do it on a higher scale, for example, like what happened in Naga City last year, which we need to plan for, we have to have the coordinated mechanisms for easy deployment of these capabilities. Every deployment, mind you, is very costly on both our side and their side, more so on their side, because these capabilities are coming out of the theater into the theater. So they entail considerable costs. Therefore, even on our utilization of our own air assets, this has to be coordinated so that we make maximum use of the asset and do not waste cargo space and flying time and ship time. We'll also have assistance, because we need the assistance and the coordination first. Before assistance, coordination. On mobility, because our road network sometimes cannot carry heavy loads. So we need to airlift them. We need the V-22 Ospreys. We need the Chinooks. If ever there comes a time, which we anticipate because the rains will come, that we will need a coordinated response. So that needs advanced planning, hence Admiral Paparo's return to Hawaii and General Bronner's constant communication with
You remember when I visited the repacking plant, if you want to call it that, of the DSWD, we were saying that ready already when we first I first came into office, the reserves in terms of relief food packs was 500,000. That has now been increased to 3 million. And I bring it up only to further illustrate how EDCA is being used for HADR. And yung iba doon sa 3 million na food packs, doon naka-istasyon na yan sa EDCA areas. Those, especially those in the most vulnerable areas for typhoons and for flooding. And also, of course, ngayon, we have to worry about Canlaon, we have to worry about yung pagputok ng bulkan. So those incidents as well, and any other incidents that may come up that we cannot predict.
Back po sa tariff, how would you justify po sa Filipino people, especially to our small exporters and manufacturers, that a 19% tariff is acceptable or fair?
It is not our decision. So I will justify any decision I make, but it's not my decision. That number doesn't come from the Philippine government.
Last po,
So
sir.
you will have to ask whoever imposed the 19% tariff how they justify it.
Last po sir, your reaction po because Senator Amy Marcos suggested pushing for a 10% tariff. So in dealing with the U.S. trade policies, was this issue raised during your bilateral?
Which the
10%
Our
po,
bilateral meeting with whom?
President Trump.
didn't come up. Again, if anyone can bring us back down to 10%, it would certainly be welcome. But no, it didn't come up at all. No. All right, with that, sige, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Good afternoon.